Substack it's made for newsletters. You can host podcasts on it. You can publish to those, but you also are embracing and maintaining a community. This video is going to be an overview of all of the settings in a Substack publication. There are a lot, and so this will at least let you know kind of the work ahead of you to make sure your settings are all in place as you get your publication launched and as you maintain it as it goes forward. And as you can see, we're actually in the settings for my But Wait, There's More Substack. I'm just going to basically go through each section. There will be subsequent videos that we really drill into the necessities for each section. So first of all, you have the basics. That's going to include the name, description of your publication, a logo. You do need to have something designed, so it can be the little gravatar up on your tab, as well as just something that appears that people know that's what your publication is. The language you plan to use for your publication, as well as your chats and interacting with you subscribers. And then you have 2 categories you can choose from. So you need to kind of pick 2 different categories, a primary and a secondary, that your Substack falls into. Then there's a whole payment section. So you've got subscription billing. You will need to connect a Stripe account. You have monthly plans, an annual plan price. You have founding plans, founding plan name, flexible founding plan pricing if you want to do that. Benefits, what do free subscribers get? What do paid subscribers get? What do founding members get? Group subscriptions, do you even want to do that? And will you provide a discount? The billing, in-app pricing options, and are you accepting direct debit payments, localized prizes, and what currencies do you support? Discounts, paywalling, and advanced subscriber invoice reports. So again, that is a very expansive, under payments, that's a very extensive section. Then you have growth, where you can toggle on or off, enabling Substack boosting, having pre-unsubscribe discounts, teaser posts, chat preview, all these things. Enable a subscriber referral program, enable paid subscriber gifts, enable gifts from Substack, and auto clips. Different settings you have here. Do you want a QR code that'll be on your brand? An embeddable subscribe button that you want to put on maybe your website or elsewhere. Then you've got the website section. You will have your own website on Substack, and you can see up here in the URL, it's basically going to be a subdomain on Substack with the name that you choose for your Substack, .substack.com. That's where it's going to live. And you can have the link here, and you can do a custom theme. You have a website editor. Again, we'll go into that more in depth. You can actually get pretty robust with your branding and make sure it's on brand for you. Page navigations, which pages do you want in your website? Do you have any custom pages, custom tags to organize your posts based on tags that you add to your posts, and notes? Do you want a notes tab? You also have a welcome page for when people first visit your Substack. Welcome page photo, which you will need to create, showing your name, etc. Do you have a skip button for people who are like, yeah, been here, done that, move me along? Your branding, it does let you do bylines. It even lets you have a read aloud voice to select from a few different options that you can choose from based on what fits for your Substack. Emails. I don't know if you knew this. Emails go out when you post new Substacks, or you can just when you do a new post, or you just want to make an announcement. You have email headers and footers, an opt-out page, email address confirmation, welcome emails that you need to draft. So you need to keep that in mind. You're going to have to draft and format and write copy for all of these expiration emails. You can edit all of these so they sound like you. Community. Substack it's made for newsletters. You can host podcasts on it. You can publish to those, but you also are embracing and maintaining a community. Do you want comments, likes, and restacks, which is what it's called when you reshare on Substack, and who can reply to emails, etc. Chat. You will have the capability to chat if you like, and getting started with that. Live video. I do live videos, and it shows you how to do that and who can see those live videos. Podcasts, again, if you want everything you're posting to become a podcast, anything that has some audio capability, you can indicate that here. It'll let you bring in a podcast, by the way. Sections, do you have any additional newsletter sections that you want? Team, who all is helping with your publication? This is nice too because you don't have to pay anything to add people to your team to let them also work with your publication, so that's neat. Privacy, very important. Do you have a private mode? Do you do cross posting? Do you want to keep your do you want your publication listed on Substack, etc.? Do you need a custom privacy policy if you have one on your website? Also, as terms of service, you may want to make sure those line up. Notifications, what kind of notifications do you want to get about your Substack, whether that's subscribers or interactions with your posts, etc.? Do you have any connected accounts? I've connected YouTube and my LinkedIn to my Substack. This lets you do auto posting based on when you are doing a new post. Do you have custom domains? Lets you use a domain on Blue Sky if you like. Analytics, if you use Google Analytics or GA4 or have Facebook Pixel IDs, Twitter, etc., you can enter those here. And then details, copyrights. That is not my actual address. Actually, I need to update that. That is a good point. But you obviously are creating this publication, so you own it by copyright. What's the information there for that? And then importing, exporting. Are you going to be bringing in any subscribers from other platforms you've used to connect with your community? Or are you going to export your data? And then finally, I love that they call this the danger zone. This is where you can turn it all off. You can stop getting paid, you can delete your publication, anything like that, and really just upend your whole publication if you're done with it. So with that, those are all, that's a lot. You will need to set aside some time, maybe even break it up when you decide to go in and set up fully your publication. A lot of people don't realize how much is involved with it, but hopefully that overview helped. We'll have subsequent videos, like I said, that go over each section. Some will be longer than others based on how in depth we need to go, but hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions specifically that you want to make sure those upcoming videos address. Happy to tackle those, but good luck and look forward to setting up your Substack publication. You're still here? It's over, but you should hit like on this video before you head out and subscribe if you want to get more videos that'll help you realize how much more there is to marketing. See what I did there?